Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos. But today we are looking at tornadoes and snow. But first, looking at our tornado watches, you can see that we currently have a giant tornado watch throughout Illinois and western Indiana. So make sure to take cover if you're anywhere around here due to the likelihood of tornadoes. And looking at our tornado outlook, you can see that we have a high chance of a tornado outbreak in the same exact spot and a 100% chance of tornadoes throughout here in the Midwest. But then look, going from storms to snow, we are looking at a blizzard throughout this purple area and then just a snowstorm throughout here and in the northwest. Quickly before checking our precipitation stuff, you can see that we're looking at severe storms on Sunday where we are likely going to see a tornado outbreak again. But then looking at our snowfall forecast, you can see that we're going to have up to a foot of snow all throughout here, and then really high amounts of snow over here in the elevations. But then looking at our rainfall amounts, you can see that they are humongous on the coast, but not really in the areas where we have droughts like in Texas and New Mexico. But looking at the East Coast, we're looking at 1.5 inches of rain, especially over here in New England and the Great Lakes, but we're looking at up to 5 feet of rain throughout here in the Northwest. So make sure to get ready because that's going to lead to some severe flash flooding. Finally, looking at the radar, you can see that we're currently dealing with a ton of snow on the north side of this system, with a ton of storms on the warm side of this system, with our what was going to be a hurricane in the Atlantic. But then if we have the radar play out, you can see that the storm goes from a ton of supercells into just a line of rain going throughout the country, eventually moving off the coast, even potentially bringing in some snow to areas that haven't seen snow in a long while, like New Jersey, as it moves forward. And then we here's our Sunday system though, bring in a ton of problems. It looks like mainly Sunday night into Monday will have the highest risk of severe weather.